Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode we're gonna eat. Yes, it's gonna be an eat episode in KL. So are you hungry? Let's go. For breakfast, we are here at Shin Shin beef noodles. What started as a humble food store back in 1949, it is now a household name, famous for its beef noodle in a soup or dressed in an aromatic sauce. The menu is pretty simple. First, you just choose either you want it to be in a soup or in an aromatic dry sauce and choose your type of noodle and type of ingredient with two sizes of small and big. I've ordered the soup version of rice vermicelli with fresh beef slices for 14 ringgit. They don't serve pork here, so all meat products are beef only. The rice vermicelli with the beef minced meat, it is perfect paired and it tastes so good. The beef slices is tender and the soup, oh my, the soup so much umami. Next place for breakfast or lunch will be fried rice. Rumor has it that this fried rice is so much better than the other famous fried rice in a more reasonable price. Let's order a fried rice and a bottle of tea. Do note that they don't provide any ice cube for the tea. Here's my bottle of iced tea for 4 ringgit and 50 cents. It is okay, nothing special about this milk tea. Gotten a packet of crispy pork skin for 3 ringgit, but it is too hard. Here's my fried rice with char siu and prawn and an egg for 13 ringgit for a normal size. They do provide a sauce on the side. Wow, the fried rice is good. It is tasty and flavorful. Fried egg is okay, nothing special about it. The rice texture is chewy and it is not hard. Do comment below, do you prefer this Uncle Soon fried rice or the other famous one? Do comment below. For dessert and a sweet bread,
gelato from the Italy, 100% natural, no food coloring, no egg, no preservatives, all natural. And also the sourdough bread, the coffee, the matcha, and the tea. And the upstairs gelato with alcohol. I will introduce for you for the gelato. This for the first for tiramisu, and also the pistachio is the best seller from the Italy, and also the mixed berry, and the last and for BiuBiuQ, the white tea of the Chinese, and also for the tropicali of the mix for banana and the mango, and also for the chocolate, and also for the hazelnuts, and the last for the durian. All also is gelato. The gelato is 80 flavor every day for the kids because our gelato is 100% natural from Italy.
I've chosen a single scoop of pistachio ice cream on a waffle cone for 13 ringgit. You never go wrong with pistachio ice cream.
Okay, thank you.
It comes with free drinking water with your dessert.
Bye!
Next for dinner, we're here at Keong Herbal Soup. Yes, you are right, they serve herbalicious and hearty soup. Let's check it out. They do offer special main menu like other meat dishes and also veggie dishes. Okay, let's order their signature soup and a meat dish. Here's my dinner. This will be braised pork belly Hakka style. This small will be 12 ringgit. Coconut chicken Chinese herbal soup. This is 15 ringgit. Let's eat. First, the coconut chicken. The chicken a bit tasteless. Try the Hakka braised pork. Not bad, but the pork meat is a bit dry. Try with the rice. Not bad with the rice. Try the soup. Wow, the soup is very herbal. It's nice. The herbal taste of the soup is quite strong. Look at the amount of herbs inside the coconut. You can fill up my rice bowl. That is one nutritious soup. Check. Second serving of winter melon. I was asking for lotus root, but they ran out already. Let's try winter melon. You can see. The winter melon. And I think below will be the meat. Get the meat. Here's the meat. Let's try the soup. okay, but a bit bland. Yeah, a bit bland. I think this is 8 ringgit, 8 ringgit per bowl. So you can see the watermelon. They will give you an empty bowl for you to scoop up to cool off a bit from this bowl. Watermelon consists of the chicken instead of pork. It's chicken, not pork. And you can cool off your watermelon here. Well, I'm all done. So I think I'll prefer the coconut chicken rather than the watermelon chicken, as the herbal chicken has more herbal strong taste, and I prefer that. How about you guys? Have you tried before? And the local Kiew people, do comment below which is your favorite soup here, or you want to try. The details and the Google Map is available below the description box. Let me know. So my total cost is 36 ringgit. I ordered the coconut chicken, the Hakka style pork belly, then the old cucumber soup, and a big rice. Okay. Next dinner place will be someone's home. Yes, this is literally a house and it is located at a residential area. Sittings are quite limited as it is occupied the yard or garden area of the house. They are famed for their freshness of seafood. Their menu selection are typically their seafood. You're not gonna find any fried rice, egg, pork or chicken dishes here. Our dinner is here. We have ordered a white clam soup, veggie with squid, barbecued fish, and a crab. Wow, the soup tastes so good. Yes, the soup comes with white clam. Have you guys tried white clam before? The grilled fish comes with 2 sauces. There is one is sambal and one is the chili paste. Fish taste is okay, nothing fantastic. Next will be veggies stir-fried with squid. It is okay as well, nothing fantastic. This will be the crab claw. The crab is about 700 grams and it is 130 ringgit. For the grouper, the fish is 1 kg and is 80 ringgit. For the squid and the veggie, stir-fried veggie, is 55 ringgit. For the soup, the lala soup, or you call it white clam soup, it's about 500 grams, it's about 28 ringgit. And of course the rice, a large rice will be 2 ringgit. Okay. So total eaten is about 304 ringgit. Do you think it's affordable? Do comment below. For dinner or supper, we are here at Pasar Pudu. This is a second generation owner operating here that is famed for their char sius. They also have wonton mee, curry mee or rice. For wonton they either have soup or fried wonton. Their char siu are grilled and cooked on site. So let's order! After your order, you'll get a table number. First order will be curry noodle with char siu on the side. Second order will be wonton noodle with wonton soup on the side. Also some fried wonton. The curry noodle ingredient includes the tofu puff, blood cockles, long bean, pig skin, and the rice vermicelli. Oh yes, and also fried pig lard. Nice. The taste of the curry noodle is okay, not too spicy for me. But for foreigners, you might need to tell them not to put too spicy. If compared with other curry noodle, this will be a bit bland. Let's try the char siu. Oh my, the char siu tasted so good. I love the texture and the taste. And I found out from the owner they are using only the pig's cheek to do this char siu. No wonder it's special. Next I tried the wonton noodle. But it is not for me. Next, the fried wonton. It is okay, nothing special about it. I would definitely come back just for the char siu. Total cost about 30 ringgit. Hi y'all, here I would like to take the opportunity to wish my fellow viewers who is celebrating the Lunar New Year Happy Chinese New Year 2025. Wishing you having the greatest of happiness, the joy of the world and the abundance of wealth in this next year. See you on my next episode. On the next episode, we are going beneath KLCC to check out over 5,000 different aquatic and land-bound creatures in their natural habitats. See you on my next episode. Bye.